Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will go over the formula that's used to solve all percent problems and work a few examples. To solve all percent problems except percentage increases and decreases, use the basic formula percent times base equal amount, or P times B equal A. When solving word problems, is means equal and off lets us know that we need to multiply. To solve percentage word problems, A, utilize the given information that will help us to solve our problem. Then B, establish our missing variable. Let's take a look at a few examples. The first question is, what is 25% of 3,000? So in our problem, we know that this is P percent, and this is our base 3,000. The base usually follows the word of. So when you see of 3,000, we're talking what comes after the word of is our base. Okay, so already we know that our missing value, our variable, will be A, because our formula is P times B equals A. So we just include the information that we have. So it's going to be 0.25. Why 0.25? Because we cannot multiply by a percentage sign, so we have to change to a decimal. So it's 0.25 times 3,000 equals A. So when we work it out, that works out to 750. So A is equal to 750. Let's move to our next question. Question number 2, 65% of what number is 5525? So already this is our P and this is our A. So our formula is P times B equals A. So it's 0.65. 0.65 times B, our missing variable, equals 5525. To solve for B, we divide both sides of the equation by 0.65. Remember, whatever you do to one side of the equation, you have to do to the next, okay? So this will cancel. And then we're left with B. Let me do a little separation here. We're left with B is equal to 5525 divided by 0.65. And we put that in our calculator. And that should work out to, let me put it in. Okay. That works out to 8,500. So we could do a check to determine, is that true? Is 65% of 8,500 equal to 5525? And that's our check, okay? Let's do the check. So our check would come here. So let's do a check. So 0.65 times 8,500 must equal, or should equal to 5525 if our calculations are correct. So let's do this on our calculator, okay? So we're trying to find 0.65. Let me fix my calculator. Position it a little bit, okay? So 0.65 times 8,500 should equal to 5525. That means our calculations are correct. Okay, let's move to our final example. What percent of 6,000 is 2,100? Again, I'm sorry, this will be our B, and this would be what? Our A. So our missing obviously going to be P, and it tells us what percent. We don't know what it is, okay? So if in our formula, P times B equal A, we don't know our percent, so that's our variable. P times B, we know what is B, 6,000. It's going to equal to 2100. To solve for P, we divide both sides by 6,000. So when we do that, P is now equal to 2100 divided by 6,000. I could cancel a bit. 0 cancels 0. So that's equal to 21 divided by 60. And if we put that in our calculator, that works out to, let's clear this. It says 21 divided by 60 is equal to 0.35. But we know that 0.35 is the same as 35%. Okay? So that's equal to P is equal to 0.35 or 35%. Thanks for watching again, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest video. Thanks.